This is Ian, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including the updated second edition of Social Security in 30 Minutes by author Emily Pogue. Today I'm going to be talking about the Social Security Administration's official definition of disability and what it means for people who are receiving SSI or SSDI benefits or intend to apply for them. And in Emily's book, specifically Volume 2, she talks about the government's definition of disability. And I urge anyone looking at this video to actually go to the ssa.gov website and search for definition of disability. You can just use the search form here. You'll come to this page, disability evaluation under Social Security. And then if you go down, it has a paragraph which describes what the definition of disability is. It's actually a pretty short definition, and I think it's easy to understand, as well as disability in children. But basically, the law defines disability as the inability to engage in any substantial gainful activity by reason of any medically determinable physical or mental impairments which can be expected to result in death or which can last for longer than 12 months. So the important thing to note about this is, even if, let's say that you have an injury or you have a disease or some condition and you're in a maybe you can't see properly or you use special medical equipment to get around, that doesn't mean that you're going to automatically be able to get SSI or SSDI, depending on what your condition is. It has to be medically determinable. And what is medically determinable impairment? The SSA.gov website gets into what that means. And also it talks about the determination process. This basically means the SSA.gov, they're going to check to see if you qualify, and they have processes for this depending on the condition or the program that you're applying to. It's complicated, unfortunately. Emily in her book does not gloss that over. She notes that actually oftentimes you'll be dealing with state level authorities to make that determination. This involves also getting maybe paperwork from doctors or other medical facilities so the SSA can make that determination. But I urge you first to check the SSA.gov website. If you want things broken down into less bureaucratic language, Emily's book is a fantastic source. She really gets into the details. She had a lot of experience working in human resources over many years, and these books, they basically distill her knowledge. For more information about the book, you can go to in30minutes.com and you can check out the book, or you can go to ssa.gov, and that's the official website for the Social Security Administration, and look for information about qualifying for SSI or SSDI. I'll put some links in the show notes, and thank you so much for watching.